Hey guys, if you're watching this video, then you probably came across this error code 105035 while you were trying to share your screen on Zoom. I've had the same problem, but I've fixed it. My machine, I have two laptops. One's an HP Mini with Windows 7 running on Intel Atom processor. The other one's an Acer Aspire with Windows Vista running on a Pentium dual core, both 32 bits, and I have had the exact same error in both the machines. Um, Things that I've tried and failed where I tried to change the share and video settings on Zoom. I've practically tried out all the combinations, but it didn't work out. I also tried reinstalling the cpt install.exe. I found this on a forum. They asked me to do it. That did not work out. Also, I tried modifying the 3D configuration on my graphics card. This is also something I found on a forum. They suggested, but that did not work out. Finally, I stumbled upon the solution, and I'm just going to show you how. Okay, now for the solution, just open up your browser and type in Zoom download. It's going to bring up the website where you can download your Zoom software. You click on that, and it's going to take you to the Zoom website. And over here, the first download option is the option for downloading Zoom for Windows. Now, what you're going to do here is that instead of pressing this, you right click on this and you copy the link. Okay, and then you open up a tab, paste that link, and it says zoom installer.exe. Over here you have to add XP, so it's going to be zoom installer xp.exe, and you hit enter, and it's going to open up the Zoom installer XP. This is a 23.5 megabyte file. Now I downloaded this one. You save the file, and after you do that, you uninstall your current installation which is not working, and you install this one, Zoom installer xp.exe, and it would work. Now I don't know why Zoom does not have this link on an open web page, but it works. So you guys can try it out if you want. Good luck. I don't know how long they will be keeping this program active, but I would suggest if you want to fix your problem, you just go ahead and download it now. All right, thank you.